Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever dreamed of transforming to small space outdoor and to the lush green sanctuary even if you don't have big yard? Well, you are in the right place. Today we are going to explore the wonderful world of vertical gardening, one of the smartest ways to add greenery and freshness and beauty to your home outdoor area. Vertical gardening is not just the trend, it's a lifestyle. Whether you live in the cozy apartment with the tiny balcony house with small yard, vertical garden lets you grow more plants in the less space. Imagine the stepping outside your door is seeing the living wall of the herbs, flower or even vegetable. It's like having a mini jungle right at home. Let's start with the benefit of vertical garden. First, vertical greens garden save space instead of the spreading your plant horizontally in the garden beds. You grow vertically on walls, fences, and the fresh standing the frames. First, vertical garden. This means of even the smartest outdoor corner can turn into the productive green space. Second, vertical gardens improve air quality. Plant naturally absorb the carbon dioxide and the release oxygen, which means a wall full of plant can literally make the air around your home and fresher cleaner. And third, they are visual stunning and well designed. Vertical garden become the living piece of art. It can hide wall and privacy to in patio and create a beautiful backdrop your family gathering parties or just your morning coffees. Now let's talk about where you set up your vertical garden. The most common place in along a black wall and fence, but you can also the balcony railing, paragolas, or even create a fresh standing the frame. Make your location get enough the sunlight for plant you want to grow. Most are vertical and vegetables need at least 4 to 6 direct